So in this question, what you're being asked is carbon-14 dating is confined to objects containing what? So if we think about it, in order for us to be able to use carbon-14 dating, the object needs to contain the isotope carbon-14. So therefore, in order for it to contain the isotope carbon-14, there are objects that contain carbon. So for example, if you have a tree, for example, it's going to absorb CO2 into its leaves, and some of the carbon that's in the CO2. So you might have one CO2 molecule, and that's just carbon. That might be just normal carbon 12. You could get another carbon dioxide molecule, and then this carbon here could be carbon 14, for example. And what they can do is this carbon 14 is radioactive, so it undergoes decay. So it breaks down in a very reliable and predictable way. So the way to kind of think about it is, if you have, imagine you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So imagine these are carbon 14s. So they're carbon 14s. So what they do is they undergo decay, and they break down, but they break down in a very reliable way. So every 5,730 years, so 5,730 years, you will have half of these will have decayed. Okay, so it has a half-life. That's its half-life of 5,730 years. So what that means is that if you start off with 10 carbon 14s, and after 5,730 years, you're going to have 5 carbon 14s left. So what happens to the other 5? So these actually decay. So they break down and they give off radiation. And then if you're to go another, let's say 5,700 years, so you've got another round, you're going to have half of this. So you're going to have 2.5. Okay, so that's what we mean. So in order for us to be able to use carbon-14 dating, the object needs to contain carbon so that it has the carbon-14 isotope.